Once upon a time, in a cozy little village by the sea, there lived a big, beautiful bay cow named Buttercup. She had soft brown fur, a shiny black nose, and the curliest horns you ever did see. Buttercup was sweet as can be when she wanted to be, but oh dear, she was also very, very naughty. Buttercup's mischief. Every morning, Farmer Ben would milk Buttercup and let her graze in the green meadow. But Buttercup had other plans. Instead of eating grass like a good cow, she would tiptoe into the vegetable patch and munch on carrots. Crunch, crunch. Sneak into the laundry yard and wear Mrs. Ben's clothesline sheets as a cape, moveless. Push open the gate and visit the village bakery to sniff the fresh bread. Sniff, sniff. Farmer Ben would chase after her, waving his arms. Buttercup, you naughty cow, come back here. But Buttercup just flicked her tail and trotted away, giggling. Do cows giggle? Well, Buttercup did. The Great Escape one sunny morning, Buttercup spotted something new, a bright red balloon tied to the fence. Oh, she thought, what fun! She nibbled the string. Pop! And the loud noise scared her so much that she jumped over the fence and ran straight into town. Oh dear! Buttercup knocked over a stack of hay bales. Whoops! Danced in the fountain. Splash! Stuck her head in the school window and mooed during math class. Moo means two. The whole village was in a tizzy. Farmer Ben ran after her, panting. Buttercup, you're the naughtiest cow in the world. A sweet ending, just as Buttercup was about to trot into the candy shop. Yum! She heard a tiny "Ma!" It was a little lost goat, stuck in a bush. Buttercup's heart melted. She gently nudged the goat free with her nose and licked its face. Oh, said the villagers. Farmer Ben smiled. Maybe you're not so naughty after all, Buttercup. From that day on, Buttercup still played tricks, but she also helped whenever someone was in trouble, and the village loved their sweet, silly, sometimes naughty bay cow.